Welcome. Today we are tackling the Take an Interview task from the speaking section. We will practice listening to an interviewer's questions and responding naturally and fully on the spot, focusing on fluency, clear elaboration, and strong conversational skills. Remember, there is no preparation time here, so you must think quickly and speak as much as you can to show your range. If you want to keep sharpening your speaking skills, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more daily lessons. Let's work together to hit your target score. Student newspaper office. You are in a student newspaper office, which is a fast-paced environment. Listen for specific nouns related to journalism, such as deadlines or articles, as you prepare to respond. A manager explains the office rules and deadlines to a new journalist. Since a manager is explaining the office rules, expect the tone to be direct and instructional. You should listen for imperative verbs that signal what the speaker wants the journalist to do. Now, let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. Please do not print more than 10 pages today. To remember this instruction, focus on the negative command "do not print" followed by the specific limit. Make sure to clearly stress the number 10 pages to demonstrate you have captured the most important detail. The newspaper office is behind the music hall. Visualize the layout of the campus to remember that the office is behind the music hall. Use a slight rising intonation on the preposition behind to emphasize the specific location. Also, stories must be checked by the senior editor. Focus on the passive structure must be checked to keep the requirement clear in your mind. Be sure to clearly pronounce the r sound in senior editor at the end of the sentence for a polished finish. You have the weekly staff meeting starts in room 4012 at exactly 1:45. This sentence contains specific data, so chunk it into the location, room 4012, and the time, exactly 1:45. Put strong vocal stress on these numbers to show you are relaying the information accurately. Please leave your articles on the editor's desk. Group the main action, leave your articles together to hold it in your short-term memory. Pay close attention to the possessive sin editor's desk to maintain grammatical accuracy. If you finished your interview, please write the draft by Tuesday. If you either and Tuesday. This is a conditional sentence, so pause slightly after the first chunk if you finish. Ensure you clearly pronounce the deadline by Tuesday with a falling intonation to mark the end of the thought. You should look up the style guide on the computer. Treat the phrasal verb look up as a single unit to improve your natural flow. Focus on the compound noun style guide and make sure you pronounce both words with equal clarity and confidence. To score well on the listen and repeat task, always prioritize the natural rhythm and flow of the sentence. Do not panic if you forget a minor word. Maintaining your confidence and clear pronunciation is far more important. Keep using chunking strategies to manage long sentences and focus on the key stress details.